Hey guys, we're in Northwest Portland today getting set up on a new renovation project. Our focus in these videos is going to be the kitchen, but we're doing some work throughout the home, including refinishing the hardwood floors, a powder bath remodel, and adding a bar in the dining room. Come on inside, we'll take a look. We're here in the kitchen space. The space was originally built in the 1990s. The client's got about 30 good years out of it and they're ready for an update. Our goal is to improve the function of the kitchen as much as possible, as well as create a really timeless design. One of the main functions of this kitchen that we really don't like is this cooktop in the island and the downdraft range hood. It takes up a lot of space in the island and isn't really great for having guests over and entertaining. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the range and move it over here and put in a proper range hood. One detail about 90s built kitchens that they really loved was holding the cabinets down about a foot to 16 inches below the ceiling. So what we're going to do is actually bring those cabinets all the way up, put in glass uppers and backlight that, and it should create a really nice ambiance. Taking a little closer look at the island range, the downdraft takes up a lot of cabinet space, so this is really not great function. And the downdrafts never really work well. So we're going to get rid of all of this. We're going to free up a ton of space in the island, and we're going to put in drawer banks and get rid of these doors. Another detail that was really popular in the 90s was to use doors on lower cabinets. One thing that we want to do is improve the function of the kitchen, so we're going to eliminate as many doors on the lower cabinets as possible. What we're going to do is put in nice deep drawers. The drawers will allow you to be pulled out and access your equipment without having to reach to the back of the cabinet. So that's going to make a huge difference as far as the functionality in this kitchen. Granite countertops were also super popular in the 90s, but are since outdated. We're going to come in with a new quartz countertop that'll be real low maintenance and have a beautiful style. The other detail about these cabinets that's pretty outdated is the actual cabinet design. So what we have here is called a partial overlay. So you see part of the face frame as well as the sides of the drawers and door fronts. What we're going to do is called a full overlay or a Euro style cabinet. So the new fronts will actually cover all of the boxes of the cabinets, give it a nice seamless modern look. Our goal for today is to get through the deconstruction work. We're going to tear the kitchen down to bare studs, and then we can work on our mechanical, plumbing, and electrical rough-ins. We'll catch you then.